Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about Bollinger Bands trading, but on another level. All right, we're going to be taking the Bollinger Bands trading to the next level with a powerful indicator known as the Bollinger Bands Percentile. All right, let's just add the indicator to the chart right away. The Bollinger Bands Percentile. Right? So if you've been using Bollinger Bands but want better insights into volatility and price positioning, this is the tool that you need. Okay, before we get into the Bollinger Bands percentile, let's quickly review what Bollinger Bands do. Okay, all right. Now, the Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band, right? Usually a 20-period moving average. Then it also has an upper and a lower band, okay, that expands and contracts based on market volatility. Now, when price reaches the upper band, it signals potential overextension. Then when price hits the lower band, it suggests that the market may be oversold. Okay, but relying on standard Bollinger Bands alone can sometimes lead to false signals. And that is the reason why the Bollinger Bands percent comes in. All right. So the Bollinger Bands percentile is an advanced indicator that tells us where price is positioned within the bands over a set period of time. Okay, so instead of just seeing if price is touching the bands, this tool helps to determine if it helps to determine if price is at an extreme level relative to historical data, and it helps you to know if volatility is increasing or decreasing, right? And if the market is setting up for a breakout or a reversal. Now, this particular indicator that we are looking at in this particular video, the BBPCT percent, that's the Bollinger Bands percent, it is an effective indicator that works by calculating the percentile rank of price within the Bollinger Bands range, okay, providing a clearer context for market conditions. Now, just looking straight into the technicalities of this indicator, to start using this next level Bollinger Bands trading indicator, you open TradingView, of course, you search for the Bollinger Bands percentile and add it to your chart. Now, once you've applied it, you're going to see the indicator added right there to your chart. Okay, so now you can see that the indicator has a red zone and a green zone. All right, and you can see that there is a 50 level, right? You can see that there is a 50 level. Okay, so when the indicator has entered this red zone, it shows that price is near the upper extreme, signaling a possible reversal or breakout. Like in this example, we can see that when price got to this resistance and the indicator was at the red zone, and we even had a downward arrow, it shows that a sell move was incoming. All right, so in that case, you'll be looking out for sell opportunities. You can enter a sell trade, set your stop loss above the swing high, and your take profit can be at support zones. Okay, All right, now for a buy trade, of course, the reverse is the case. When price is within the green zone, when the indicator is within the green zone, it suggests that price is at the lower extreme, suggesting a potential bounce or continuation. So in this case, we can see that we got a buy signal around here. So once you get your confirmation, you can enter a buy trade, right? Set your stop loss below the swing low, and your take profit can be at resistance zones. All right. You can actually adjust the settings of the indicator. You can see the length. You can adjust the source, the multiplier, according to your trading style, according to your taste. Okay. Now here's how to use this indicator effectively. For breakout trading, when the Bollinger Bands contract, you can actually use this indicator in combination with the Bollinger Bands, but it must not necessarily be with the Bollinger Bands, right? You can also use any other indicator of your choice for additional confirmation. But basically, when the Bollinger Bands contract and the percentile indicator suddenly rises, right? When it suddenly rises, it signals an incoming volatility expansion. But in this case, it actually dropped. All right, so let's look for an example. Okay, so you can see here it contracted, the percent rose, and then it signaled a potential expansion. You can see what happened around here, right? A possible breakout, and eventually the breakout prevailed, right? You can see after the percent, the Bollinger Bands percent indicator, as it rose, you can see that there was a breakout eventually, a breakout to the upside. All right. Now you can also use this indicator to detect reversals. When price reaches an extreme percent level, or rather when it gets to the extreme, either of the extreme zones, right, and starts to reverse, like what happened here. Now, okay, let's use more valid examples. So when the indicator gets to an extreme level, like you can see what happened here, and begins to reverse, or when it gets to the extreme bottom and begins to reverse, you can see those indicated reversal opportunities, right? You can see. So if you had entered a buy, you would have caught a good move as this reversal signal came up. And here, if you had entered a sell, you'd have also caught a good move as this reversal, signal came. All right. And you can use this indicator as a confirmation tool. You can actually use it alongside the RSI, MACD, or price action for stronger trade confirmations. Okay. So now that you know how to use the Bollinger Bands percent indicator, you can actually try adding it to your charts and see how it improves your analysis. Drop a comment below if you've used this indicator before, or if you have any questions. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best trading strategies. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.